Hello everyone, welcome to our quick candle pattern series with Dylan Peacock. I'm going to be talking to you about engulfing candles. The first is the bullish engulfing candle. It is a green body candle that fully engulfs the previous red body candle. It is used as a reversal trigger once a strategy has set up for a change from bearish to bullish. Here you can see small red candle completely engulfed by a large green candle. Another small red candle engulfed by a green candle. Two equally sized candles, however the green fully engulfs the red candle. And here we have two large candles. The red one is fully engulfed by the large green candle. Next is bearish engulfing candle. The bearish engulfing candle is a red body candle which fully engulfs a previous green body candle. It is the complete opposite of the bullish engulfing candle. It is used as a reversal trigger once a trading strategy has confirmed a change in trend from bullish to bearish. Here you have two small candles, however the red candle fully engulfs the smaller green candle. Here the candles are slightly larger. The green candle here is fully engulfed by the large red candle. Here we have a small little green candle fully engulfed by a large red candle. And here we have a very long candle, however the green body is fully engulfed by the red body candle. Thank you for viewing our engulfing candles video. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue providing useful content.